Well, hey you guys, welcome back to the Canning Nana. I'm going to show you how to make the world's easiest slider recipe using some leftover dinner rolls. We've got a package left over, and this is going to be the easiest thing you guys have done in a very long time. Super, super simple, and that's what I'm all about these days. So come with me as I take you along for this super easy recipe. So I have ground beef and I've seasoned it the way I would for a hamburger. Put whatever seasoning you want in there. I have an egg in there. I've got some seasoning. My famous Laurie's seasoned pepper. I put some of the Thrive's Chef Choice seasoning in there, as well as my Laurie's seasoned salt, and then some garlic in there as well. So I'm going to caramelize some onion in a pan. I have my cheese ready for these, and I have sprayed a pan. This is just a 9x13 pan that's going to go into the oven. So that's how easy these are. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and finish mixing these up, and then we're going to put these in the 9x13 pan after I'm done cutting this onion up. So come along with me. Okay, so here we've put the ground beef in our 9x13 pan, and all I'm going to do is situate it out like this, and I am holding my camera with my other hand. So what you want to do is get this nice and situated so that it's evenly spaced in your pan. And I am going to pause this so while I do this, so because this is our dinner. So I'm going to get this all situated and bring you guys back when it's perfectly flat and the thickness that I want it to be for our family. Okay, this is what it should look like when you're all done. And you can see on the side the thickness of it, pretty even. You can get it as even as you want. It's just coming up the sides just a little bit here, but it's pretty even. And then you're going to put it in a 425 oven to cook. And I am going to poke a couple holes in here with just a knife before I put it in there. I have chicken wings cooking, so I'm going to take those out really quick, stick this in the oven. It takes about 15 minutes to cook, so I'm going to stick it in there and I'll take it out and show you what it's going to look like when we take it out. Super easy, you guys. Okay, so our onions are cooking down and caramelizing. Our bread is now cut into with our knife, so everything is prepared, and our meat in our pan is cooking nicely, and it is shrinking down just the way we want it to do. Okay, so here is our finished product. So you can either pick this up and put it right on to your rolls. As you can see, so I'm doing ribs or wings too, so mine came out more puffier right here because I had more meat right here. Otherwise, it would have been the perfect size. So I'm in a little bit of a rush. Don't rush like me, and you will have the perfect size for your dinner rolls. So you can pick it up and set your rolls and take all of these top off and set it right on top of here, which is what I normally do. And I will see if it will work. So let me get that, and then you can set it right on here and then just cut it. Since it's so thick, I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to cut it to size right in here in the pan, and then set each individual piece of hamburger onto the sliders. That was not my original intention. I've made these so many times. I think because I'm in a hurry, it just didn't turn out right. But normally, this is what you would do. You take the whole layer off, you put them real close like that, and then you lift this whole thing up and you just put it right on there, and it fits perfectly. Let me actually show you what that looks like. Okay, so maybe it is going to work. Fits perfectly. This one right here is just a little bit more puffy. That's what you do. You put your onions on top and your cheese, which I'm going to put the cheese on first. Let me show you what that looks like. And then you can put tomatoes on, any toppings that you want, and you have your mini sliders. And then you just go ahead and you start covering them up and then just cut them down the sides. Super, super easy. Much easier than putting them all together at once. And you have mini sliders already on a plate. Okay, so that is what the cheese looks like. 6 pieces of cheese. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the onions on. Okay, here it is with the onions. And then all you do is you start putting the bread back on the top. Oh, you gotta get it the way it's supposed to be on. Nope. Oops. Sorry, guys. Gotta figure out the way I took this off. Oops. It's hard to do this one-handed. So you have 3 across, like that. And there you have it. Easy sliders. So I'm gonna head and get a knife and just cut right down the way these are, and then get individual sliders, and then I'll bring you right back. Okay, they are all cut individually. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this one on the end to show you guys. Sorry about the camera. Take it right apart just like that. And there you have it. Individual sliders, look at that. Delicious. How cool is that? Thanks for watching, you guys. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes and some more canning recipes coming soon. As soon as I feel up to it, I'm going to be making some jam and things. The fair's coming up, and we're going to be doing a lot of stuff. So thanks for watching. If you guys have tried this, let me know. Yeah, it's a really easy dinner, especially when you're not filming it, especially one-handed. Thanks for watching. Word of the day, sliders. Comment that word of the day in the comment section for a chance to win a special prize. One of my Italian seasoning packets is going to be going out to one lucky viewer of this video that comments the word sliders in the comment section. Going to start giving out some stuff again. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Happy Memorial Day, everybody. Thanks for watching. See you soon.